Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian stock markets were mostly higher Tuesday, as concern about Deutsche Bank's financial health eased and Japan's quarterly survey showed companies lowered their inflation outlook. Tokyo's Nikkei 225 rose 0.8%, and South Korea's Kospi added 0.5%. The Bank of Japan's quarterly tech and business sentiment survey showed that Japanese companies expect consumer prices to rise 0.6% in the next year, lowering their inflation outlook according to Kyodo News. That means that the central bank would have to do more to achieve its 2% inflation goal. Hong Kong Hang Seng Index was down 0.2%, while Australia's S&P ASX 200 fell 0.2%. Stocks in Southeast Asian markets were higher. China's Shanghai Composite Index was closed for a holiday. The dollar rose against the yen and euro on Tuesday, boosted by an upbeat US manufacturing sector survey, while the pound valued near a three-decade low on concerns over a potential hard Brexit for Britain. The dollar added to overnight gains and was up 0.5% at 102.170 yen, after touching a 13-day high of 102.395. The euro dipped 0.1% to 1.1201 US dollars, after slipping 0.3% the previous day. Sterling was down 0.1% at 1.2829 US dollars, after falling on Monday to 1.2818 US dollars, nearing the 31-year low of 1.2798 US dollars plumbed on July 6 in the market turmoil following the late June Brexit referendum. While the post-referendum turmoil spurred demand for safe havens like the yen, analysts pointed out that the latest slide in the pound is yet to trigger similar reaction. The UK economy remains in focus today with the September report on the construction PMI, data that follows yesterday's surprisingly strong update on the UK manufacturing PMI for last month. UK construction PMI. Economic data for Britain continues to surprise on the upside, raising doubts about the prospects for another rate cut. Econoday.com's consensus forecast sees today's construction PMI for September remaining in contractionary territory and easing to 49.0, down fractionally from 49.2 in the previous month, slightly below the no-change 50 mark. Another upside surprise, however, will keep the rumors spinning about the Bank of England's next move for monetary policy. It was the latest market news provided by Aiko and X. Goodbye.